Tired of others using incognito mode on your computer and want to take back control? Let's dive right into disabling it. First, open Google Chrome and click on the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of the browser window. This will open the Chrome menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access Chrome's configuration options. Now, in the Settings page, use the search bar at the top and type extensions. This will quickly guide you to the extensions management area. Here, you'll need to install a third-party extension that allows you to disable incognito mode. Search for extensions like Incognito Gone or disable incognito mode in the Chrome Web Store. Then click Add to Chrome. A pop-up window will appear asking for confirmation. Click Add Extension to proceed with the installation. Once installed, the extension icon will appear in your Chrome toolbar. Click on the extension icon. This will typically open the extension settings or enable it by default. Within the extension settings, locate the option to disable incognito mode. This might be a simple toggle or a button. Activate or enable this option. Now, restart your Chrome browser. After restarting, try to access incognito mode from the Chrome menu. The option should now be grayed out or completely removed, indicating it's successfully disabled.